Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, I am Dida and you watch Dida Do. Today I just want something just fresh, cold in this summer heat, and I share this really beautiful recipe for you. We need 4 peach. We need to boil it in water for 2 minutes to remove the skin off. Then we just put it in cold water, let it cool down a little bit. In this time we start our syrup, the verbena syrup. We need 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a handful of verbena. If you have fresh verbena, it's okay, or you can just use the dry one. A pinch of acid citric, or you can use lemon juice. Put your syrup on the heat for 10 minutes. In this time, just clean your peach, remove all the skin off, and continue our recipe. This recipe is one of my favorite desserts in the summer with this fresh, beautiful peach. In this time our syrup is done. Now just put your peach in the syrup and let it boil for another 10 minutes. The peach will take all the flavor of this verbena. It's very tasty, amazing in this summer. Just cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes, I said, and it's done. This is an easy recipe and very good to taste. After that, just serve it and let it cool down outside, then put it on the fridge until it's very cold. Don't forget to serve this precious syrup. It's very tasty. The syrup is the essential thing in this recipe. Don't forget it. Let it in the fridge until it's cooled down, and now is the time of enjoy the most delicious peach ever. You need to try this recipe. It's good, easy, and If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and say enjoy.